September 16th. Currently, vehicle is running. Got a slight issue with the oil pressure. It doesn't have a gauge with numbers, so to speak. It just has a low or a high setting. That's an A, actually. That's an A. It's got a low and high level on the gauge. It's factory. I'm going to put in an external one eventually. Don't know when, but when I do, I'll actually have a better idea of when I have very, very low PSI versus having too much PSI. So going forward, I'm going to do a Lucas treatment, the oil stabilizer brand, somewhere in the RV. At the moment. So we're going to do some Lucas, and believe I'm going to do 5 or maybe 10 W30 Rotella. So gonna do the oil change, and hopefully that will increase some PSI. With the vehicle idling, it's maybe about a quarter way on the gauge, like right by the, it spells out normal, in the middle of the gauge. So right by the N and O, that's where it is when the vehicle's idling. I'd like it to be a little bit more on like the maybe MA at the end of normal when idling, and then when you accelerate, I want it to kind of, push the needle more towards the high side. When I do accelerate, it doesn't really move that much, so I'm guessing I have some tired oil. The vehicle has been sitting for a long time, and I'm just getting it running on its own. So hopefully this will do something on the positive side, and I don't break anything. So here we go.